Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can upload your portfolio PDF folder or PDF file in Behance. So Behance is a great platform where you can show up your works, your projects, your skills, and you can actually showcase your all the works and past experience and portfolio before the world, and the person who needs your talent that can actually approach to you, and they might hire you from this Behance platform. So it is one of the most famous platform for graphic designer. So if you want to showcase your portfolio as a PDF file, so you have to simply you have to log into your accounts first. Then you have to simply click on share your work. You have to hover over to that share your work, and then you can go with the project or service or work in progress. If you want to show it, like I probably think it would be a project, so you can simply click on project, then where you can actually showcase your project with all of these tools that Behance actually offering you to customize your portfolio. So if you have already a customized portfolio in a PDF file, then you can attach that file or upload that file by simply this attach asset file option. You have to simply click on it, and here you can find a window where you can actually attach a downloadable asset to your project. That it could be your portfolio file. So you can simply click on choose file here, and it will open up your file manager, where you can simply click on it and you can attach your downloadable asset where just like this. So you can add an example image that will be your display image for this PDF file, that can actually attract the persons to click on this PDF file and watch your portfolio and get impressed. Where now you can add some basic information, like you can add the file name from here, like portfolio, and you can add some templates from here, like templates or other thing from here, and license type like personal. So or you can add it standard commercial also. Then you can add some description with some rich keyword, and here is pricing info. You can go it for sale and or for free. Then after that you can simply add a cover photo from here. Then you can go with you can connect your want to sell this assets on Behance, so you have to connect with PayPal or Stripe first, then you can add the assets. So don't forget to add a payment method, so it could be PayPal or Stripe. So you have to simply click on it, where you can actually connect your PayPal account or your Stripe account, but it's actually my country is not may not supported by Stripe, so that's why I can actually continue with Stripe. But if you have Stripe, then you can go with Stripe. So you have to simply click on continue with PayPal. Then you have to add your PayPal credentials, and it will actually redirect you to the PayPal embed section or connection section, where you can actually add your PayPal account with the credentials like your email address and password. Then you are good to go with this project or portfolio. Then you can have simply click on continue, and you can publish it. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.